Long, long ago in the Atlantic Ocean, where the waters danced with the secrets of the deep, there lived a goldfish named Finley. Finley wasn't like any ordinary goldfish. He possessed a unique gift, the ability to shed tears of pure gold. Finley's tears were known far and wide, whispered about among the creatures of the sea. Some believed they held mystical powers, while others simply desired them for their shimmering beauty. One day, as Finley swam lazily among the coral reefs, he noticed a young mermaid named Marina. Marina was weeping, her tears mingling with the salty sea. Intrigued, Finley approached her and asked, "Why do you cry, dear Marina?" Marina looked up, her eyes glistening with sadness. "I am the daughter of the Sea King, but I am not allowed to explore the world above the waves. I long to see the golden sunlight and feel the warmth of the surface." Moved by her plight, Finley vowed to help her. With a gentle flick of his tail, he shed a single tear, watching in amazement as it transformed into a glimmering golden droplet. "Take this tear," Finley said, offering it to Marina. "It will grant you passage to the world above." Marina hesitated, but the longing in her heart overcame her doubts. She accepted the tear and, with a grateful smile, swam upwards towards the surface. As Marina breached the surface, she was enveloped in a dazzling light. The golden tear shimmered in her hand, creating a magical aura around her. For the first time, she felt the warmth of the sun on her skin and the gentle caress of the ocean breeze. Word of Marina's extraordinary journey spread throughout the ocean, and creatures from near and far came to witness the marvel of the golden tear. Finley's gift had brought joy not only to Marina but to all who beheld its splendor. From that day forth, Finley's tears were treasured not for their material value, but for the hope and wonder they brought to those in need. And as for Marina, she continued to explore the world above, her heart filled with gratitude for the kind-hearted goldfish who had granted her deepest wish.